Today's topic is string traversal. Traversing a string is a common operation when working with the text data in Python. We will explore how to traverse a string in Python and the various methods available for navigating our text. So the first method is using for loop. So using for loop, if I take a string as hello, and if I say for I in s and print I, if I run this print I. So here it prints all the characters in the console. So the other method is using a range function. So another way to traverse a string in Python is by using the built-in range function. This function generates a sequence of numbers which can be used as indices to access the characters in a string. Okay, so first see what range functions is for I n range of. So we have to give where it should start from and should end. And if I print I, so it prints 0 to 3, excluding 4. Okay. So if I traverse using string s equals to AI-Shala, and if I take the end, if I don't know the length of the string, so if I take len of string, len of s1 and print s1 of. So here we are doing indexing and accessing the characters in a string. So you can see here we are printing all the generating the sequence of characters in a given string. Then we have another advanced method using enumerate. The enumerate function is another built-in function that can be used to traverse a string. In Python, this function adds a counter to an iterable object that has a string, such as a string, and returns a tuple containing the counter and a value at the index. So this is an example. If I take a string st and hello world, and this contains a counter. So I will be taking two values here, I and cat, and enumerate of st. If I print both the I and character, so it will be printing both things. You can see it print the counter 0 and h. So this is using enumerator. So when working with string traversal and Python, it's essential to follow some best practices, like using for loop to traverse a string for the most efficient and concise solution. And we should use the range function when you need to access the indices of the string. And we have another method as well using while loop. So if I take a string, hello, this is Python class, and I initialize as value to 0, and while condition s is less than a length of s2, let's change this variable to start s2 and print s2 of start. Here it should be start as well, and then we increment the start value. If I run this, you can see it's printing all the characters. So here it works. So first, here the value of start will be 0, and the length of the thing will be 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So it will be 27. That's so it's 27. So the condition here is true. So it will enter the loop and print s2 of start. S2 of start, which is h, and then the start value is incremented. So the initial start value was 0, and it is incremented to 1, means 1 is added. So the start value will be 1. So this is incrementation. Uh, so the start value is 1. So it goes back to the while loop. Here is check 1 is less than or equals to 27, and here the condition is true. So it prints s2 of 1, which is nothing but start. Then after so many like after 20, after some iterations, let's see from 26, when the start value is 26, so 26 is less than 27, and it prints the 26th value, which is last character s, is s, and here it is incremented to 27. And when it comes back to the while loop and check the condition, 27 is less than 27. So the condition here becomes false and it exits the loop. So this is how this works, and we will see few more examples. So let's write a program to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. So palindrome means uh, from forward and from backward the string should be same. Like example would be madam. Write a program to check whether a given string is palindrome or not. Uh, let's take a string as here. Let's take madam. So you can see from starting, like from forward and from backward, it's spelled the same. So how we do it is if we can do it using slicing. If s is equals to s of -1. So let's print it's a palindrome. You can see it's a palindrome. So this is used to reverse a given string using slicing. Okay. And we can let's write other program. Write a program to count the number of characters. Write, write a program to count the number of characters. I take as hello, and for ins I should initialize a count variable to track the number of characters. So for ins, so I should simply increment the count value with 1. And if I print the count value, you can see it's keep going on increment. So if I just write it out of the for loop, so you can see the number of characters we have 5. So this is how we can count the number of characters. And if we want write a program to sum the numbers in a string, sum of uh, sum of the digits. So there's a variable with numbers 1, 3, 4, 5, and I want the sum of those digits like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So the output will be 1 plus 3 is 15. So the output should be 15. So we can do it using traversal. So first we need to convert this as we can't iterate to this integers because it's not a collection. If I try this and parent, you can see it will be throwing a error because it's not iterable. Int object is not iterable. So first we need to convert the s to a string. We should do typecasting. So I will name it the num. And if I change the num and print it, you can see it will be printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to add this all. So I will be initializing a variable sum with 0. Print so now sum of, and Here I want to uh, add I, and if I print sum, okay, here I want to int of. Here again I should be converting into int because we can't add integers and string. So if I just run this, you can see here it's 10. So we will see how this works. So when for I in num, the first will be 1. The I will be pointing to 1, and here the sum will be equals to 0, 0 plus 1. So the value of sum now will be 1. Okay. Now again it will go back. It will be pointing to 2. So the sum value is now 2. Sum value is 1, and it will 2 will be added. Now the sum value will be equal to 3, and like again the I will be pointing to 3. Here 3 plus 3 will be equals to 6, and here it will be pointing to 4. Here the sum value will be 6. Now 6 plus 4, which will be equals to 10. Then the I value will be pointing to 5. The value will be 10 plus 5, which will be equals to 15. Okay, so uh, this is it for today. So I will be giving a exercise for you. So just try it. Write a program to find the product of digits. Product of digits, and write a program. Write a program that find the first non-repeating character in a string, and write a program to capitalize first and last word on a string. So this is the home. This is the exercise. So do try it. If you have any doubt, please do comment, and please like the video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for today. Thank you.